Hi, I'm Alex Vinks, present the Colt JS. You can use any text editor with Colt, but I prefer to use Sublime Text, as there is a plugin for the Colt that gives you extra features.
Install package control, which is plugin manager, and restart Sublime. Then click Ctrl-Shift-P and add repository the GitHub link for Colt Sublime plugin.
Let's start Colt from Sublime. Sublime assume that main.js is our first style, so we need to correct that. Also, we can set up which files to include and which files to exclude from Colt to watch.
I'm adding the asset folder so it can be tracked by Colt.
In the function you plan to make it updatable, you need to add extra disposable logic that would prevent you from memory leak and getting weird results while updating.
Add function change listener by passing function pointer as parameter of track method.
Handler function should be defined with code update tag and in the constructor. You would check if the methods array is not undefined, and also if the source is the current one. You can also listen for the changes in the other source files. You can loop through methods array and execute the methods you like to be re-executed. We need to re-execute our init method, which actually create our scene. So any change in the scene, we need to re-execute the main.prototype.init. Let's start building our scene. Prefer not to use code autosave, but if you like, you can use it. We will build now first the background, and after we add and save the file, we can see the background immediately. Now the waterfall. You can see that we can position the waterfall and adjust.
Any changes in code reflect immediately in the browser. Now we can visually see what we are coding.
Let's add the clouds. Clouds is a bit too fast, so let's adjust it to slower value. I'm a bit lazy, so I will add this prefabricated code for the clouds. Now we add the turtle, actually the pony. The story behind this is that in ActionScript 3 version of code presentation, I started with turtle and finished with pony. Now I'll start with pony and finish with turtle. What we code is what we can see. Positioning Mario, adding textures, initializing. Let's see how we can make the character logic with live feedback. Let's add first the gravity. As we add the gravity, we can see that our character will drop, so we need the constraints.
loop function, like our tick function, not need extra listeners.
Let's paste the collision code. Now we will add user interface. So when we click left, character would go left, and on the right arrow would go right.
As you can see, we are adding functionality on fly.
Let's fix the facing. And from walking to running mode, from standing to running mode.
If you do an error while coding, you can see it in a code console.
Let's test some other ideas outside main functionality plan. Code can give you an input to your tools and make building easier. Colt also track assets update. You add assets update tag to your function handler. In event.sources, you got the array of sources that have been updated. Current code handles asset update in that way that reloads the spreadsheet PNG. I advise you include Colt in your toolset. Thanks for watching.